Hey guys, what's up? This is Tanner in EMS. I wanted to create this video and show you on your own iPad where you can find the instructions to reset your Zoe password or get a license code reset. So look for the MOS 360 app. It is there. You can see on the left it's blue with a hexagon in it. Mine's at the bottom of my screen. Yours can be on any of these home pages. Open that up and you're going to look for the corporate distributed file. Click on that and you'll see all the resources that are in there for your guys' use, but you'll want Zoe resources. Once you're in here, Teresa was so kind as to put in the documents I just recently created. Zoe password reset. You have the step-by-step process for that. You can do it all from your iPad, or if you'd like to use the assistance of your desktop computer, that will help as well. And then the second document, you have a license code reset. This, again, step by step. I feel confident that with these two documents, you can fix those problems on your own at your convenience. But if you do need extra assistance, please reach out to anybody in EMS during normal business hours or your CAR 209 personnel after hours and on weekends. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.